Hey everybody, thanks for joining me. This is Mike again. Another request from Leanda B. And it's Albert Hammond singing "It Never Rains in California, in Southern California." So I've heard that song. Don't get me wrong, but I couldn't have told you Albert Hammond sang it or who Albert Hammond is. Or this is a first for me. So yeah, man. Let's. I've got it brought up here already. You can tell this is the first one of the day where I'm already off of my how I normally do my format here, but um, y'all shouldn't expect anything less, really. So, without further delay, let's just get into "It Never Rains in California." Here we go, y'all, in Southern California. Man, I love this music from the early 70s.
Got on board a westbound 747. Didn't think before deciding what to do. Oh, that talk of opportunities, TV breaks and movies rang true. Sure and true. Seems it never rains in Southern California. Seems I've often heard that kind of talk before. It never rains in California, but girl, don't they warn ya? It pours, out of work, I'm out of my head. Out of self-respect, I'm out of bread. I'm underloved, I'm underfed. I wanna go home. It never rains in California, but girl, don't they warn ya? It pours, man, it pours.
All right, man. Yeah, this is one of those for me. This is one of those feel good songs. You know, it's talking about this guy, or he's talking about a guy that he got on an airplane, man. He's going to California. He's gonna make it big as a movie star, and he gets out there, and it just doesn't pan out, man. And listening to him, how he's out of bread, out of money, and everything's just not like what he expected. So he's ready to go home, and he sounds like a homesick uh, guy too, man. And I can remember, um, so Marine Corps, when I joined the Marine Corps sent me to Southern California, and I was out there for a long time. But the initial first few months, and I spent 8 years out there before I got orders closer to where I came from. But man, you get homesick. You're 1,500 miles away, from anybody you knew or anything you knew. You make new friends. Don't get me wrong, but but you still miss, especially when you're young, 18 years old, man. You miss your friends and your family and familiar. I like me. I came from the hills of southeastern Oklahoma, and you miss the tranquility in the nature a lot. So I can understand, and just looking at his face, where I've got it paused here. Yeah, that's how it is. As you get older, and it kind of tapers off, and you feel fine. So let's get back to it, man.
Will you tell the folks back home tell them how you found me. Give me a break. Give me a break. Seems it never rains in Southern California. Seems I've often heard that kind of talk before. It never rains in California, but girl, don't they warn ya? It pours, man, it pours.
Man, what a great song to start out with. Today for me, it is Monday, the 27th of April, 2026, and it's going to be a good day, man. Starting out a day like um, listening to "It Never Rains in Southern California" brings back so many good vibes, man. When this the typical '70s acoustic guitar, and you hear the flutes, and it kind of makes it melancholy, you know, um, and easy listening. I guess it's just a good feel good song all the way around, man. Thank you, Leanne, to be for this request. It was pretty. It was damn good. Thank you. All right, y'all. Thanks everybody for showing up. Till I see you again, I'll catch you down the road. Bye, y'all.